Oi! Fire! Fire! Water! 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 What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer there again for part 2 of No Gangs in the City gang activities. So I done part 1 in the last video. Now we have part 2. So what am I showing 4 finger for? 2. What? Alright, yeah, whatever. 2. Part 2. Yeah. I mean, I want a man tell me about no why and why and this. No, why? We're not getting about in the number. Part 2 with there. Yeah. So, my friend in my lobby somewhere. Agseed there, people. Agseed in the building. When there? Oh, see me sit down. Oh, you watch TV?
Of course, man, I kick back.
But after you're not paying a light bill in here, what you watch TV about? What you watch, my youth? What you watch? Me just see a man put him in the toilet a while ago. What you watch?
No, some idiot on TV.
We have Bulla Head. Yeah, the man. Alright, in the building. Goatseed is not here today. Let me sit down beside Magseed. As you can see, people. What?
2 meters apart, you know what?
Get up from side of me then. Am I also in there? Oh, but better come out of this and go where we go. Anyway, people, we are go head out for those gangs now, and then take them out because we get some more intel. No, man, I'm dealing with Grove Street already.
Okay.
Me just say I run a forward in pan him thing there, pan him oppressor. 90 miles away. So make we go downstairs and get a car and cut from your brother, cause these gang activities I get too much. I think the Mexican them a smuggle people me here. That can't. Julio around there? What? You see him around there for sure?
Yes, you're there.
I'm tell him, tell him say if he go back around here, I'm catch him, me go kill him,
Hey, he go back.
Man, little idiot cousin Jose.
Oh my God.
Watch me and them. I just want to buck them. I just want to buck them in my sight. Which car me fi take today? Which car me take? Which car me not take out yet? Take out that already. Make a jump in another one. No, jump in another one. Alright. I have Nick Full Master in the car, yeah? Alright, wait there. Yeah, where you got that?
What's your power about me? I'm gonna pull up with the gang.
Okay. Alright. I don't know what kind of surprise you are, but alright. So, yes, people. Depend the way I go down at the water plant, you know, because me say, boy, them down there. And I be people that get shipping from Mexico and them place there. Me really want to know what I want. Look at the road now get round here, said Jamaica in the city. I take out them idiot gang. That them no Agseed, no. I don't deal with Agseed. Bullhead, me just see a flyer come down the road now. Watch yourself in a bullhead, man. You crash on my car now, because you're not gonna like it. Oi! You have insurance? Take him out. Make a deal with him. Hey boy. Alright. Give him a chance. Oi! Hello. What you do? You see it? You tell me leave him alone. Come in. Make a cut before them start shoot. Come in.
Yo, are you mess up my car down, man?
Who makes up a car?
You.
Yo, come in, yeah? Alright, Agseed that drive. Always their back, you know. That's why I'm name Agseed for all those who are wondering. Him always their back. I'm so sorry. That's it. Turn right, brother. Alright, watch it. What? You nearly kill somebody, dog. Dog.
Where?
Bossy left. Professional driver. I can see what I go on. So people with them on way, go down on the plant. We're not there too far. So I could get ready for them, boy, yeah. So, hold on. A good thing I wear my seatbelt. Yo, man, you cut me in two with the seatbelt. My belly. Stomach.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I need some water, brother. You know water? Yo, give me some of the water, yeah. Give me some of the water, yeah. Go. Alright, boy. Dog, your car too slow, brother. Alright, slow down. Boss a left. Alright. I could go ask them questions, find out what I go on first thing as a brother. I could go. No, man, we want to investigate and see. We want to see if boy Julio run here. When there? Hey, Julio, where you wanna go? Julio, where you do? Me call him one here. No, hey boy Julio. Watch yourself. When I said I'm not talking to. Alright. Big machine for Julio and him friend them. Alright, me come in pieces. I'm gonna leave him in pieces down here. Hey boy. Take out in. Hey, wanna come in, man? Wanna there? What them there? I know me, at them. What them there? Hey boy, jump over here. Come in. Ooh. Oh, ready. Take over. See what going on, so. What them there? See me? Bossy man. Oh, man, them kill bullet. Yo, boy, hey, you kill bullet? Eh? Are you kill bullet, boy? Yo, man, have some big gun down here, brother. Look at boy, them a smuggle gun to you, dog. You see what going on? Man, them a smuggle gun, brother. Aye. We are the roughest, toughest Jamaican in the city. Alright, we depend where we got the next gang, you know. I don't know where them involved in now, but we are going to find out. We not going to tolerate none of them in our city. With them all cross itself. But they don't want to buy no house in our city anymore. But they don't want to buy no house. Everybody got sand the shore. Look at we good city of Los Santos. Drive safe. If you crash me, I have to kill you. If I kill you, you're not going to like it. Oh, I want Jeffrey that's sir? Why am I do this, sir? Man, lick down Jeffrey. Yo, my cousin, I tell you, you lick him down. Jeffrey, you good? Jeffrey, where you do it, sir? You're not homeless, you know? You're not homeless. Your mother tell us if you stay in the yard. Hey, boy, you're not homeless. Knock him out. Me not kill him. Me not kill him.
Yeah, where the guy?
Them me look for. Oh, them there?
Look up for them, man. When homeless people, we get them intelligence, you know.
Oh, them there? I mean, what information? So, man, hey, come here, me ask you some question.
Come on, tell me where, man.
Me ask you some question. Hello. Now let me run it down. Me go shoot. Hey. I don't want to kill a boy, you know.
Don't kill, man. Hold him.
Me run him down. Boy, I run. Yo. If me run you down, me I got tired. Don't kill him. Oh God, I better him kill him. I'm tired. Hey, hello. Hey boy, I make me running down in my youth. Hey boy, I mess up my clocks them in the youth. Hey boy, I'm start running. Hey boy, I'm start running down. I'm not talking with you. Damn shit. All right, we're pulling up on the next target. Take them out one by one. I will not have them around here. No time, no day. Hold on, make we approach with caution. Approach them boy with caution. Them have the upper hand. Where I see that wanna go? Watch out! I'm not driving down this. Look, we see what going down here. Hello. And hey. Watch out! Oh, I shoot around to rat it. Let's shoot around. Miss. Because the one bull ahead just like a gang member. And him have a gang member named Bull ahead. We have a gang member named Bull ahead. No drugs running. No gun for fish. That them are the road, you know. Gun for fish. Hello. What them there? See them around us, sir? Oh, man, better get man down. Boy, Bull ahead, boy. I'm sorry for you, boy, but I'm glad to see me. Hold that. Yes, high powered weapon. Man, I come from down the stairs. I come up. Hello? Oh, son, you up here, sir? Eh? You know you got dead. You think I rubber bullet, my boy? I am the roughest, toughest. Come out of the city. I'm going to kill the whole of Uno. What the... Hey, fire, fire! Water, 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 water! Oh, water, water! Thanks.
I'm sorry. It's that funny, right? I mean, what?
Oh, look at most. Yo, let me look at my skin. I have 3 degree burns, dog. I have 3 degrees burn. Wait, hold on. Stick a wally popping. What are they? Oh, you have to drive the car down there so go damage it now, man.
Cut the knives, man. You have insurance.
Wait, why you not have a car for yourself? So you mash up my one.
Yeah, you mash up your car and you're paying for it.
Oi! When there? Alright, come pick me up here. Come, me can't buy the dog seed now. On to the next one. On to the next one. Take time drive with me here, sir. Take time drive with me. Hold on a minute. 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 Stop. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a minute. 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 This whole heap of driving around the city with you and you driving like a damn lunatic. I will not drive with you. I will not drive with you. You not take my life before time. I have to reach back home to Lily. Wanna come? Wanna drive or fly? Lift off, left him, Ross. Oh, lucky see you jumping. So with the point we go far out of the next city and now. You go past Sandy Shore. Make sure say them boy are not sell no whore. Don't start shooting them missile and them something in the agseed. Cause me know say I'm madman and you shoot, you know. We have to be covert. It is the middle of the night. We have to be covert. This is a covert operation. Not even the government know about this operation. This is a top secret information that come through on my desk and me take out all gangs. No gang activities in the city.
Every single one of them. We're trying not to break this time.
I 2 times you did already, no? Mr. Death. Mr. Death. Is it my post? In my post?
Yeah, of course.
I run your post. I run your post. With no life. Yeah, Aaron is a post with 1 life.
Yeah, man, not for headshot, man. But you are cool.
What about headshot? Headshot where? What kind of headshot I get? Where?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Yo, make sure you send over the parachute, man. Jump out. Make sure you can't fly without wings. We don't sabotage you. Yo, the breeze feel nice in my ear. Make sure you land good. Land. Oh yes. Change our plan. We see some illegal drug running a guan. We are gonna take out these nasty piece of work from the city. Make we go. We are robbed from the rich and. How are going down here, sir?
Yo, what's wrong with you, man?
I went though. Why boy do I go here? We not deliver stuff to nightclub. So we not work with them boy yeah. I come in there a police car. How this? Hello, where you do so? Where you do so? Watch out. They are taking us on. They are taking us on, guys. Them they are taking we on. They know me.
You save your life.
Save you for life.
Yeah.
And you can't save your own. Alright. From there you been talking crap. Tell me about because you get tattoo like me and you get tattoo in your face. You can't arm wrestle like me. Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. Hold on there. What?
Got him!
Gani.
You nearly brought me and I'm never ready. Hold him. Yo, what? Me drink my porridge this morning. Round 3. Make we go. Yo, me can't play that thing. Me can't. Yeah, me can't teach you no lesson. Yo, me can't teach no lesson. Me can't. 3-0 man kill. Yo, me do it. Me good. All right, so we are on next. Gang, acha. Yeah, right, man. You what? Come here. Let me check your temperature. We are do. I'm looking at. Hey, boy, come here. Alright, come in. Alright, we have our next gang place, you know. We are going to go in and go see what going on. It's not going to be nice, but make we walk in there. We are going with cutlass.
Don't worry, man. You're going to get stuck to this.
Man, you put on your cutlass, man, you.
Don't worry, man. Walk up in there, man.
Hello, don't kill him, I'm going to find out what going on. Hello. What is that? What you have in your hand? What is that? Hey boy, you can't. Hey boy, where you try though? Who there? Oi, oh no. See me? See, hey, girl get shot too, you know. Girl get shot, you know. Once you there in field with them, oh no, I got dead. Oh no, duck and roll. Roll.
No way, man. I can't shoot.
Are you if you move? Look at the place big and you tell me move out of the way. Where are the runners, man?
No, because we're not in the city, so it's safer for you.
Yo, you ain't for me, no boy. If you watch out! Alright, them killed me a while ago, but I'm heading back into action. Will not have it in my city or in my suburb. Watch out! Nick Full Master Head get boss. Oh! Man shoot me, I'm a short. Oh, you're short. God, how good. Oh.
Yo, never got that last man, don't get it.
Hold on.
He's just gonna shoot me in your head.
Yo, I'm sending you. Hold on. Don't kill him. Hold on. Make a thump him up.
Oh, AK-47 here.
What the hell did you just say?
Oh, AK-47 here.
What the hell is an AK-47? Which gun am there now? Hey! Ah! People, thank you once again for watching another episode of Jamaica's Rest Game. Jamaican Friends this time was out with the gangs again. You don't know, Bulla Eddie there and Axie there. So we are going to end the video right here and call it a day. So guys, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification. And guys, I'm gonna put my tag on screen right now. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.